Evening guys, good evening to you. And as you can see, it is still sunny outside, a little bit breezy now, but it is a good weather. Good weather, and it is still July the 13th, 2024. And I want to make this video for you guys, especially for you guys. Because I want to tell you about my prediction for tomorrow's Wimbledon final. And this Wimbledon final will be played tomorrow in England, Wimbledon, England. And it will be start at 2 p.m. Local time. I don't know what the time is in your area, so you better check the listing in your TV listing maybe. Or on the internet you can check what time it start. But guys, let me tell you before I forget, guys, that I'm making this video to tell you who will win. So guys, I think tomorrow in the final match between Djokovic and Alcaraz, these are the two players who made it to the final. It has been another grueling tournament for both these guys, and they have again won all their matches. They reached the final stage, the final match, and the winner tomorrow will become a 2024 champion. And I think at this stage, Carlos Alcaraz should be favorite, and not just favorite but heavy favorite to win the championship, even last year also. And last year he defeated Novak Djokovic, who is his opponent in this final again. And it was a 5-set match last year. But guys, let me tell you something. I'm not here to talk about last year match. I want to tell you about tomorrow's match. So I think tomorrow it will be the same result, but it may not be a 5-setter. It may be a straight sets win. And the reason why I'm saying this, guys, let me tell you why I think Alcaraz will win. It is because he's good player, good form, young player. He's won a championship before. He's won many Grand Slam, not 3 Grand Slam. He already won in the past. And he's hungry. He's more hungry, like we saw in quarter final, not in quarter, in semi-final. He has more desire to win. And also, the thing with Djokovic is that he's been injured. He had to withdraw, I think, from French Open because of injury. And it was speculated that he might have to miss Wimbledon, but he has played, and he being the great player that he is, I should not say great, I may be very good player. Yeah, he has made it to the final, but I think Alcaraz poses some difficulty, more difficulty than other opponents. Although he has winning record against Alcaraz. I was checking a lot of things yesterday on internet, and I found out that he has beaten Alcaraz more than Alcaraz has beaten him. Alcaraz has only beaten him one time in Wimbledon final last year. So we will see what happens now. So my prediction for the match is that Alcaraz will win in straight sets. But now let me tell you, my favorite player between these two is Novak Djokovic. I want him to win the Wimbledon championship tomorrow, and I will be very happy if he can win tomorrow. And if he wins, he will win in 4 sets. That is my prediction, guys. So if I had to, if someone put a gun in my head, not in my head, but a gun to my head, or whatever that is saying, I would pick Alcaraz. But if I was to go with my heart and pick my favorite player, then I will pick Novak Djokovic in 4 sets. Okay, guys. So I know this is neither here nor there, but if I had to sum it up, I will say it is either Alcaraz in East red sets. But if Alcaraz does not win in East red sets, then Djokovic will win in 4 sets. I really hope Djokovic wins. I will be rooting for him. And guys, let me tell you something. One more thing. I just thought of this. Not thought of it. I thought of this before. But just remembered. I watch esports. I follow esports channel on YouTube. Live stream the people who do like fight companion or watch commentary, and it seems to me like the people covering tennis are little more sensitive than people covering MMA. So like I have watched a live stream with MMA Guru and Lucas Tracy and JC on Fire. And in their live stream, they have good banter with their chat. They don't ignore their chat. Whatever fun, they have fun with the chat. But this guy, I saw this guy name, I won't take his name, in tennis. I saw two guys. I went into the chat. And they are like very sensitive. If someone make a joke, they try to censor him. Yesterday, this guy, he's from Australia. He's got a very big channel in YouTube about tennis. And he was doing live stream between... he was live streaming which match it was. Alcaraz versus what is name? Alcaraz versus Medvedev. And then people, chat member, they were making some joke, and he was so upset with those jokes. He was yelling at them and then telling mods to ban the people. I don't think that is a very good attitude. I mean, you should not take yourself too seriously or your channel. Let people have fun, have some fun, enjoy, and have fun yourself. So in this regard, I think MMA, MMA, people who cover MMA, they have a little more sense of humor, or they don't take things too seriously. I don't know if it has got anything to do with the sport they follow, but that is what I observed yesterday. Anyways, guys, and just one hint, I want to just mention this in the end. In Tour de France, Tadej Pogacar, he extended his lead at the top of the standing. So I think he's now, in a way, I think he's the winner of 2024 Tour de France, unless something really extraordinary happens. He's got Tour de France sealed for 2024. He won today's stage and he increased his gap. But this video was not about Tour de France. This video was about Wimbledon final tomorrow. And let me remind you guys, because people forget, man. So let me remind you, tomorrow Alcaraz will win in straight sets, which will not be such good result for me. Or Djokovic will win in 4 sets, which will be a happy result for me, great result. Okay guys, so that is my prediction. Now this is, you can see, sunny day, sunny afternoon, and let me show you the puddle of water again. There you can see it is getting closer and closer as I walk towards it. It is nice water. Okay guys, so I'll end the video. Enjoy your day, and hasta la vista, baby.